Canva is a free-to-use graphic design website that can substitute for paid programs like Adobe Photoshop. It all runs in your browser or mobile app, so there's no need to download more software for your computer. If you're not really a graphic designer, need to do something fast, or just need some inspiration, Canva is a great tool for designing cool Instagram stories. Instagram stories are incredibly popular and can range from photos and video taken with your phone all the way up to highly edited images and videos. We'll be talking about how to make some professional looking creations in Canva today. First, log into Canva or create an account. Then you'll want to make your canvas. Rather than leaving you to guess proper dimensions, Canva has plenty of properly sized canvases. Click on Create a Design, then search for and click on Instagram Story. This will create a blank canvas with the correct dimensions for Instagram stories. Now you can choose to start with a template or start from scratch. We'll start by using a template. You'll see various Instagram story templates on the side of your screen. These encompass different kinds of stories, from frames for your photos to full layouts for a multi-part series of stories with text and images. Once you select the template that you like, you can start editing it. You'll likely want to add in your own photo, so click on Uploads and upload an image to use. Arrange it however you like, but so that it fits in the template. If there are any colored elements like shapes and text, you can select these and change the colors. You can also edit text to be a different font or size, and of course change the words to be whatever you want to say in your story. We suggest using minimal text and focusing more on the images for Instagram. In the text tab, you can choose to write using a font of your choice, or you can select a template for a text combination that arranges several different fonts into a combination that looks great together. Just drag it into your image and change the text to your liking. But you can be sure the fonts will look good together. If you want to add your own shapes, go into the Elements tab and start decorating. Even in Elements, different parts of the image can have their colors adjusted, so don't get hung up on something if it's not the colors that you want. Use these elements to spice up the borders around your image and drive home a theme. If you add an animated element, you're able to download the image as a video and add that to your story. An Instagram story can either be a single image or video, or it can be a series of multiple images. To work on multiple images at once, click on the Add a New Page button. You can use any template you like, so try to take advantage of one of Canva's template series. These will let you create a story series with a consistent theme and look, but every page will look just a little bit different. The project is automatically saved to your account, so you'll be able to come back and make more images in this style easily. To save the image, click on the download button in the top right corner. This will save the image to your device, and you can put it onto your phone to upload to Instagram. Hopefully this video helps you get more comfortable with Canva. Share your inspiration for your Instagram stories in the comments below, and let us know what other Canva tutorials you'd like to see. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. And if you're looking for professional LUTs, Lightroom desktop and mobile presets, Premiere Pro templates, and more photo and video education, visit FilterGrade.com today.